I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo V70 key. Before you begin, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing any small components. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process for accessing your key's internal parts. Taking these initial steps will save you time and frustration later on, making the entire procedure much simpler. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the key casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, slowly separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Volvo V70 keys use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper electrical contact. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely sealed. Once reassembled, test the key's functionality with your Volvo V70 to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check ensures your key is ready for use, providing reliable access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.